I want to know if shall I proceed in teaching math using the dialect of Bisaya, since I am a Bisaya person. And when I was still enrolling for first year college enrollment, I was really dreaming for this opportunity to use this platform in order to help people, especially the Bisaya ones, to teach math, that they can learn math using our own language. I just really want to use this, but since English is the universal language, I'm also confused. And also, since I am a Filipino citizen, I'm also confused if shall I just proceed in teaching math here, doing math tutorials here in YouTube using the language of Filipino. I'm really confused on what to use. But here's the last idea that I have in my mind. What if I'll just do a math tutorial with the same content, different 3 videos using the 3 languages, Bisaya or the Cebuano. Sorry guys, I should use the term Cebuano. Okay, so is it the language of Cebuano? Okay, so guys, hear me out. What if I'll just make a math tutorial video in 3 separate videos with the same content? Yes, the same content, 3 videos using the different languages, Cebuano, Filipino, and English, so that later on I will be able to focus on what language shall I use in all of my videos. I shall go for it. 3 videos with the same content but different languages. Okay? Help me out. Subscribe, guys. Follow for more. Like and comment.